Python modules. See, in this chapter, I'm going to explain what is Python module, purpose of modules, types of Python modules, how to use Python built-in modules. Next, user-defined modules, how to create and use user-defined modules. This is the agenda for Python modules chapter. Okay, before going to discuss this Python modules chapter, yesterday's pending topic, Python regular expressions chapter continuation. See, in this Python regular expressions, we already discussed it. We can create regular expressions in Python using regular expressions functions or methods, meta characters, and special sequences. We discussed the Python regular expressions functions, meta characters. Next, last one, special characters. Special characters. See, a special, not special characters, special sequences, regular expression functions, meta characters, special sequences. What is the role of special sequences? A special sequence is a uh, backward slash followed by one character and has a special meaning. See, backward slash followed by one character, alphabetic, one alphabetic has special meaning. Observe here important special sequences are backward slash by backward slash capital A, backward slash capital A. What is the functionality of this one? It returns a match if the specified characters are at the beginning of the string. See, it returns a match if the specified characters are at beginning of the string. At beginning of the string. Notes I will provide. Observe my explanation. See. Observe. Savita, what is backward slash A? It returns a match if the specified characters are the beginning of the string. Beginning of the string. Sorry. Suppose text. It is string object. String. You can use A, B, C, any name. Text equals to suppose Python. Python is a lightweight programming language. It is a lightweight programming language. By here, less or no formalities. For example, Java is a formal language. C is formal language. C++ is formal language. But Python is a lightweight language. Here, implicit declaration of data types. VB script is lightweight. Perl is lightweight. Ruby also lightweight. JavaScript also lightweight. Okay. Observe, this is my string. This is my string. Before the string, import regular expression module. Savita, import regular expression module. What is the module name? Savita, what is the regular expression module name?
Sir, import RE.
RE. RE is the module name. RE
Yes,
is
sir.
the module name. X it is
X
variable.
yes,
X
sir.
equals to
RE dot
RE dot C
find all of
find all. Already I told, with the
yes,
help
sir.
of functions only we can use meta characters and special sequences. Yesterday we discussed meta characters. Today special sequences. See, backward slash capital A. This is the special sequence. This is the special sequence. Python. It is my string. Python, comma, comma, txt. Don't use double quotes for txt. It is variable txt. What we are going to do? See, check
Python is it.
uh, if the string starts with Python, starts with Python. This is my requirement or problem. Write solution. Solution means program. Suppose this is the solution. Print. Otherwise, write condition. If
X
x
colon
colon
print. Yes.
print of yes, any meaningful message. Yes,
There
there is a match. Otherwise, yes, the string
as begin with Python.
Started with the string started with Python. The string started with Python. Okay. Sorry. Else colon print. For example, no, not started. Otherwise, you write no match. No match. Okay. Save the program. Run module. What is the expected output? Yes, there is a match. Means yes, the string started with Python. Save, run module. Yes, the string started with Python.
Yes.
Okay, now suppose Java. My substring is Java. I am checking whether the string started with Java or not. I think no match. Run module. No match, na?
Yes, sir.
The Python 2. See, this is backward slash A. Rajesh, any query, Rajesh?
No, sir. Understood the program.
Okay. Next, backward slash second one. No sequence. Backward slash D. Capital D. It returns a match where the string does not contain digits. It returns a match. Observe, Savita, functionality of this one. It returns a match where the string doesn't contain digits.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Just a minute. Example. Doesn't contain digits. You know digit characters. You know digit characters. What are digit characters? Numbers 0 to 9.
Yes.
Digit characters in computer environment. Alphabetic characters. A to Z, capital A to Z, small. Next, special characters. Asterisk symbol, dollar symbol, percentile symbol, etc. We have three types of characters. Yesterday we discussed alphabetic characters, digit characters, and
Yes,
special characters. What is the backward /D? It returns a match where the string doesn't contain digits.
Yes.
Doesn't contain digits. First import re. It is built-in module for creating regular expressions. Regular expressions. Suppose my string is India at 1. India at 1. In the string, Rajesh, we have three types of characters: alphabetic characters,
Sir.
special characters,
Yes,
digit
sir.
characters.
Yes.
This at the rate symbol is special character. One is digit character. See, we know in electronics we have one term digital digit character. Okay. Why digital? See, computer understand things in terms of digits only. Savita, computer
Yes,
can't understand alphabets directly, special characters directly. Only digits. See, digital, zero, ones, digits.
Yes, sir.
That's why we have ANSI character codes now. Suppose A 65, capital A 65, small a 97.
Yes.
Sir.
What one?
No, sir.
97 only.
97. Small
Yes,
z 122. Suppose 0,
48.
48.
8.
1, 49. So digital media only can be understood by computers. Okay. Write this one. Read final D. D for digit. Yes, yes. Suppose
it is at least one match.
there is at least one match. LEST. At least there is at least one match. One match. Next, no match. No match. Now tell me, Rajesh, what is the output?
Yes, there is at least one match.
At least one match. Save, run module. At least one match. Suppose why? Have no match. There is at least one match. Why it is showing there is at least one match?
To save, I think, sir.
Pardon?
Save, sir. File save.
Saved. Otherwise, it will ask.
Saved only. Yes, sir.
India at Y. India at Y. There is at least one match. X. Run. Yes, there is at least one match. Why it is showing? D. Okay. Other. Locate the problem. Backward /D. X. At least one match, else no match. Pardon?
Syntax correct only, sir.
Syntax correct. Then why it is showing? Suppose India run module. Yes, there is at least one match. Why it is showing at least one match? Re text India. It returns a match where the string does not contain digits. Does not contain digits. Does not contain digits now. Suppose one save run module. Yes, there is at least one match. What is the problem? Identify. What is the functionality of this one? It returns a match where the string doesn't contain digits. Doesn't contain digits. Now there is no. Yes, there is no. Suppose there is no digit in the string. There is no digit. Doesn't contain digits. Now it returns a match where the string doesn't contain digits. Okay. Suppose no. Suppose yes. Just a minute. The string contains digits, one or more digits. Just save. Observe the expression /d text. Run module. Yes, there is no digit in the string. No digit in the string. Okay. Suppose India 9. Save run module. Now is it working or not?
No, sir. It should give
There
string
is no
contents.
digit in the string. Yes,
Yeah.
there is it. Just a minute. There is a.
Sir, can you change the input value?
Just a minute. There is a digit. What is input value? Just a minute. There is a digit in the string. Just a minute. Save run module. No, there is no digit in the string. Digit is there now. Tell me what is
Sir, if you give only numeric.
just a minute. This is only in this it doesn't contain digits now.
Yes, sir.
It should execute first part. No, there is no digit in the string. It is correct. Okay. There is no digit. Now digit is there now. Now digit is there. Run. No, there is no digit in the string. Why? Both times it is executing X only. What is that X? Print of X. Just a minute. Save. Run module. IND. Returns at
9
every
it
node.
into.
Oh, it returns a match where this does not contain digits. Returns a match at every node digit. Okay, this I will explain later. Some problem is there. Not problem. My description may be problem. First one, okay na Savita? First one,
Sir.
uh, backward
Sir.
slash A. It starts with Python string.
Yes, sir.
Next, suppose third one, small d. Backward slash small d. It returns a match where the string contains digits. It returns a match where the string contains digits. Just understand. Example, small d. Small d. It returns a match where the string contains digits from numbers from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Suppose yes, yes, there is at least one match. There is at least one match. At least one match. Next, no. No match. No match. Save the program. Observe the functionality of backward slash d, small d. It returns a match where the string contains digits. What is the output, Savita?
Sir, X condition executes, sir. If path. Yes, there is at least one match.
9. We are printing that one. Yes,
Print off.
there is at least one match. We are printing this one.
Yes, sir.
You can make it comment. Next, suppose X at India I get. Now run.
Else
What is the
conditions.
output?
No matches.
No match, sir.
No match na.
Yes, sir.
It's working fine na.
Yes,
It
sir.
returns a match where the string
Yes,
contains
yes,
digits. Suppose 0 also digit. 0 also digit. Save.
yes, sir.
This time run module. Yes, there is at least one match. Suppose if you have multiple, at least one match. Save. Run module, at least one match. Suppose other special characters, alphabets and special characters. No numbers.
Match.
No match na. It's working
Yes,
fine
sir.
na.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is working fine. Next, backward slash yes, yes, capital yes. Fourth one, backward slash yes, capital yes. What is the functionality of this sequence? It returns a match where the string does not contain a white space character. White space means space. Space also character. It is also countable na.
Sir.
It is also countable. It returns a match where the string does not contain a white space character. Does not contain. Just a minute. Suppose India country. India country. Here capital yes. Yes. Next, what is that one? Non-white space. Yes, there is at least one match. Yes, there is at least one match. No match. Now tell me what is the output, Rajesh?
Condition.
Condition is true or
Yes, there
false?
is at least one match. True, sir.
At least one match.
Yes, sir.
Run module. At least one match. At least one white space is there. Next.
Yes, sir.
Now observe Savita. Save. Run. What is the output?
No match.
At least one match.
Sir, I think we are understanding vice versa, sir. It does not contain white space means suppose India doesn't have any white space, sir. That is match, sir, actually.
Just a minute. India returns a match.
That does not, sir.
Every non-white space.
India
Non-white
has no.
space character. This time non-white space character. Okay. Just a minute. Non-white space character. There is at least one match. Non-white space. At least one match. Non-white space. Suppose India
Correct
space.
only, sir.
Pardon?
It's correct only, sir. Now also India has no space and country has no space, sir. Does not, sir. Our meaning is does not, sir. Capital S.
Yes. Our meaning is doesn't.
Sir,
It
if you
returns
give
a match
only
where the string
does
doesn't
not,
contain white space.
then India is one match and country is the one match, sir.
This time contains run module.
Contains, but India is one match and country is another match, sir.
There is one match.
And country is another match, sir.
Why? Just a minute.
Does not, sir.
Pardon?
Does not, sir. Does not. I think, sir. Now this time results India and country both are result.
Just a minute. Save. Run module.
It's a match, sir. Actually, India is one match and country is another match.
When we get this no match.
Match. Give only India, sir.
Only India.
No match. Yeah,
Run.
this time also X condition passes, sir.
This time also at least one match, na?
Yes, sir. Because India has no white space.
Run module. There is at least one match.
Something different, sir. It's not this way.
Our this functionality of this.
Sir, give spaces after D, after I, after A also, sir. Then we can.
After
D, after I, and after A, sir.
that is different, na? Just a minute.
Still same output only, sir.
Run module. Same.
There is match.
See, what is the functionality of this one? It returns a match where the string doesn't contain a white space character. Doesn't contain white space. Why? Just a minute. See, single. Here no white space, I think. Just a minute. Run module. Yes, there is at least one match. Doesn't contain white space. Suppose contain white space. Run module. Why it is showing text only, x only, x equals to refresh. find all txt if x something problem. This one also just a minute. Our understanding problem.
Yeah, maybe.
Clear slash this one small d executed, capital A executed. So far we discussed 4, 2 executed, 2 failure. Which one failure? This fourth one. What is the fourth one? Not failure, but our understanding problem. Capital S. Fifth one. Today only we got failed status for 2 programs. Slash small s. It returns a match where the string contains a white space character. Observe, it is opposite to capital S.
Yes.
Na.
Yes, sir.
It returns a match where the string contains a white space character. Just a minute. Import RegEx module next txt equals to, suppose I'm a Python programmer. I'm a Python programmer. Suppose this is my string. X equals to read dot find all of sorry backward slash yes yes comma txt if x colon if x colon print write meaningful message. What is that one? What is the functionality? It returns a match where the string contains a white space character. Suppose yes, there is at least one match. At least one match. Next, else colon print no match. No match. After the class, you also check Savita.
Yes, sir.
You also check failed capital S and capital D.
Yes, sir.
Capital A successful, small d also successful. After the class, you check those failed cases. Not failed understanding problem.
Okay.
Meantime, I will also check.
Okay,
So
sir.
for capital S,
Ah,
if you're giving blank space, it is giving no match, sir.
Yes, sir. That's only passing, sir. I also tried.
That's the only case.
No digits, no words. Then only it is passing.
only
For-
blank space.
Only
Yeah,
blank
only.
space, giving no match.
Okay, okay. We will check. Fifth one.
Example 4.
Okay, okay. No match. Now tell me.
This time, if condition
Syntax
passes.
X find.
Sorry, I'm a Python programmer. Run. What will happen?
Syntax, sir. X is equal to find all. Syntax.
Syntax errors.
Syntax.
One
Why?
parenthesis text. X is equal to re dot find all.
Okay, okay. Okay, good observation. Save. Run module. Yes, there is at least one match. At least one match. Suppose
Underscore or something.
underscore also character. Just a minute. Check. Save. Run module. This time
Yes, there is at least one match.
no match. It has to show no match. At
No,
least
sir.
one match.
After I
The space
After
is there. I
After-
space.
after at least one match. Save. Run
No
module.
match.
No match na?
Yes, sir.
No match. Suppose you asked underscore. Underscore is not white space character na? That is special character.
Yes, sir.
No match na?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose at least one or more. Save. This time yes. Yes. It's working fine na?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Next. Save. Run module. No match. No match. It is working fine. These are the important special sequences. What is the functionality of this small s? It returns a match where the string contains a white space character. In the above one,
It
it returns a match where the string does not contain white space
white
character.
space.
Does not contain white space character. That is providing, that is not executing properly as per our understanding now.
If string contains no words and no digits at all, only blank txt, then it gives no match, sir.
Give space, sir. Space character.
Space.
Now no match will give.
Run module. Now no match.
Yes, sir.
What is this one? It returns a match where the string doesn't contain white space character. Doesn't contain white space.
Now it has
character.
white space. That's why no match.
Pardon?
Now it has white space, right?
White
Sir?
space. Doesn't contain means pass. Contains means else part.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Suppose it is okay.
If there is no
Suppose
space.
India, this time run module. Yes, there is at least one match. This time doesn't contain white space. Doesn't contain white space. Suppose A. Run module. Yes, there is at least one white space. Suppose A space B. But it is not complete white space. Alphabets also there. Yes, there is at least one match. Okay, Rajesh. It is just
Sir, I think non-white space, when we say
Yes.
any character other than white space, it
Yes.
is giving true.
now just observe. Run module. No match. Okay. Single white or multiple spaces na.
Yes, sir.
See, means
If you have
no
at least
blank.
one, sir, yeah.
No blank. If you
Yes.
have one character or multiple character, one character or one word or one sentence with
There is a match.
with space or without space, that is different. Suppose if no characters, only white space, that time
Then it-
no match.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This time it doesn't
No match.
contain white space. What is the status? Past status na?
Yes, sir. No match.
No match.
Sir, one example. Just give one character, sir. Here, any character. Yeah. Now input. Sir. Now we'll see there is a match.
There is a match.
At least one character, sir. Anything.
Yes. There is at least one character. At least one character. No. No character. White space. No character. Only white space. Now try to understand this one. Now, what is the expected output?
No character, only white space.
Only white space. Run. No character, only white space. No character, only white space. Just a minute. Next, suppose this time
Yes, there is at least one character.
run module. There is at least one character. Now, okay, na Savita, this one?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Understanding, okay. Run module. No character. Only white space.
Yes.
No character. Only white space. Observe the functionality of this one. Backward /capital S. It returns a match where the string doesn't contain white space.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't contain white space.
White
Okay.
space.
This is working fine. This is working fine. Just a minute. Small s also working fine now.
Yes, sir.
Small s
Yes.
also working fine.
Okay, fine.
First one, capital A also working fine.
Fine, sir.
Capital A also working fine. Next, what about this D? D, understanding D.
It is not working.
Back, what is that functionality of that capital D? It
Not
returns a
contained.
match where the string doesn't contain digits.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't contain digits. This is some small problem is there. Doesn't contain digits. Doesn't contain digits. It returns a match where the string doesn't contain digits. Means no digits. No digits. Suppose this time no digits now.
So put only digits, sir, like 1, 2, 3, then it passes.
Just a minute. Doesn't
1, 2,
contain digits.
digits.
1, 2, 3. Contain
There is-
digits.
Yes, sir.
Contain digits means what is the contain digits?
Yeah. No match, sir, this time.
Just
Because
a minute.
there are digits.
No. It contains.
Digits.
It contains digits. It contains digits, one or more. Yes.
Digits.
There is no digits.
Digits. Okay.
There is no digit, at least one. There is no digit. Just a minute. 1, 2, 3. What is the expected output? Run module. It contains digits now.
It does not contain, sir. That's why else path.
Pardon?
It does not contain digits, sir.
Does not What is the functionality of this one? It returns a match where the string doesn't contain digits. That is true part now.
Yes, sir. Does it?
Just a minute. Suppose run module. I think it is okay. Just a minute. India. Save run module. It is okay.
It's not working.
Working. It is okay. Observe. Suppose what is the functionality of this /d? It returns a match where the string doesn't contain digit. Doesn't contain digit means pass na.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't contain, observe, doesn't contain digit means pass.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Contain digits means
Right.
failed. Just try to understand. Now observe our string. Is it contains digits or not?
No, sir.
No. Doesn't contain digit means it has to show pass status na.
Yes, sir.
Pass status. First part. Run module. Pass status. Next. Now it contains digits na.
Yes, sir.
At least one digits na.
Yes, sir.
It does contain digit means fail na.
Yes, sir.
Does not contain pass. Does contain fail. Run module. Pass. Yes, there is no digit. There is no digit. Here digit is there na.
Yeah.
That is the problem. Just a minute. Run module. Only digits. Just a minute. India doesn't contain digits. Pass. Next.
When digits.
1, 2, 3. Contain digits. Only digits. Only
No.
digits. Run. Fail. Okay. Next, mixed. It is string only. Run module. Now try to understand. This one. It is also working fine.
Yes, sir.
Savita.
Yes, sir.
Observe Savita.
Yes, sir. String.
Observe. 1, 2, 3. What is this one? Number.
Digits.
Digit. 1, 2, 3 is
Digits.
digit. Next, A, B, C is alphabet.
Yeah.
Alphabetic. Means no digit. See. Does not
10 digits.
Doesn't digit. Doesn't digit. Next, suppose A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. This is also not direct digit. What is this one? Alphanumeric.
Mm-hmm.
It is finally text. This is finally text. This is finally number,
Yes.
number. Suppose ABC 1, 2, 3 special character. It is also what is this one? Alpha, alphanumeric, alphanumeric, and alphanumeric and special characters. Special characters. What is the final? This one. This is also text, na? Na?
Yes, sir.
This is also text. This is only now in these four scenarios. Which one is passed scenario for our which one we are discussing? D. Which one is passed scenario for our forward slash sorry, backward slash D? Which one is passed scenario?
ABC, ABC 1 to 3, ABC 1 to 3, and special characters.
Doesn't contain digits.
Sir.
These three passed scenarios, na?
Yes, sir.
First one, pure number, na?
Yes, sir.
Other Rajesh, are you there? Rajesh.
So can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, it is. I'm there, sir.
Now observe, Rajesh. A, B, C, D. It is alphabetic. It doesn't contain digits. What is the output, Rajesh?
Yes, there is no digit, sir.
No digit. Run module. Yes, there is no digit. Suppose A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3. It is also alphabetic numeric. Alphanumeric, not pure
Yes,
numeric.
sir. Yes,
This
sir.
is
The same, sir. Yes, there is no digit.
there is no digit, no direct digit number. Next, alphanumeric and special characters. Savita, alphanumeric and special character. This
Yes,
one,
there is no digits.
no digit. First status one. No
Okay,
digit.
sir.
No digit. Suppose just 1, 2, 3. Just 1, 2, 3. It is
Contains
number only,
digits.
na?
Yes, sir.
What is the what? It doesn't
No, it
contain
contains
digits. Pass.
digits.
Contains digits means fail, na?
Yes, sir.
Fail. Now it is also working fine, na?
Yes, sir.
4 scenarios we discussed. Now I think all are working fine for our understanding.
Okay, sir.
Rajesh, okay, na?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
See, we discussed 5 special sequences.
Yes, sir.
Backward slash E, capital A, contains with specified string. It is working. We tested with the Python, next Java. Java failed, Python passed. My string is Python is a lightweight programming language.
Yes, sir.
Next, backward slash capital D. It is also working. Next, small d. It is also working. Capital S working. Small s working. All are working. These are the important special sequences for creating regular expressions. Savita. See, yesterday we discussed Metacharacters, regular expression functions. 4
Yes,
functions
sir.
we discussed.
Yes, sir.
Today we used one function for this one.
Find.
Totally we discussed 4 functions. What are the 4
Okay.
functions? Find all,
Sir, search.
split, sub. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
See, this is about regular expressions. regular expressions. Functions, yesterday we discussed worked. Next, meta-characters, yesterday discussed. Next,
sir.
special sequences. Today, 3
That
worked,
is,
2 not failed, understanding problem. Now,
yes, sir.
5 are working fine.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
come to today's chapter. Today's chapter,
Yes, sir.
Python modules.
Modules.
Modules. Important one. What is Python module? What is Python module? See, notes I will provide. Just observe my explanation. A module is a file containing of Python code. It can define functions, classes, and variables, and can also include runnable code. Any Python file can be referred as a module.
Okay. Okay, sir.
See, a module is a Python file containing Python code. It may say it can define functions, classes, variables, etc. Next, module versus function. Module versus function. We are comparing these two. Observe, Rajesh. Module versus function. Function. What is the primary purpose of function? Code reusability, no? Code reusability.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Function purpose is code reusability. Module purpose also code reusability. That's why we are comparing.
Yes.
Function. It is a block of code that you can use or reuse by calling it with a keyword. With a keyword. Function. It is a block of code that you can reuse by calling it. Next, module. It is also reusable code, but function is only one unit, only for one particular purpose. This one, module, it is a .py file, means it is a Python program file that may contain a list of functions, variables, etc. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
See, what is the similarity between module and function? Function, a reusable code. Next, module, it may be list of functions, list of variables. Okay, na? Function means single unit.
Okay.
Module means multiple units.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you create one function, you can reuse that function only. Suppose if you create one module, here no limitation. You can create one module with 20 functions or 30 functions or 40 functions. If you reuse a module, all functions can be reused, isn't it? Next, what is Python module? Module versus functions. This one also indirectly we discussed. Purpose of modules. As our program grows more in the size, we may want to split it into several files for easier maintenance as well as reusability of the code. The solution is module. We can define your most used functions in a module and import it instead of copying their definitions into different programs. A module can be imported by another program to make use of its functionality. This is how you can use the Python standard library. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
For reusing multiple functions, you can create modules.
Module.
Modules. Next, third one. I think fourth chapter and fifth chapter. These two not chapters. Fourth topic, fifth topic. These two are practical topics. These two take at least 1 hour. First three only 5 minutes. Last two 1 hour. Just a minute. First three 5 minutes. Types of modules. Okay. Python provides us with some built-in modules. Observe, built-in modules. This is one type, Rajesh, built-in module. Next,
User-defined module.
user-defined modules. See, some built-in modules are there in Python. You can, if you want to use them, you use import keyword. In Java also import keyword. Import keyword. Other syntax is import next module name. Import space module name. That is syntax. See, this syntax is for both built-in modules as well as user-defined modules. For user-defined modules also you need to import. Suppose I created one Python file stored in my desktop or D drive or something in my computer. I want to reuse that module for another program. We have to import it first in our ideally editor. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, import. Just a minute. Example. Import. Suppose date time. Date time also one of the important module. One of the important module. Savita. Date
Yes, sir.
type. Single word. Earlier, today we used one module now. What is that one? Import re. Import
Sir.
re. In our classes, I think in file handling, we used one module. What is that one? Import in file handling chapter, we used one module. What is it? Savita.
Sir.
OS module we used now
Yes, sir.
for creating folder, make dir, etc. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Say in our Python, we have dozens of libraries available. Here, important modules are math. For user-defined modules, no limit, unlimited. But built-in modules, limited. Okay, math module is important. Next, date time module is important. Next, OS module is important. Next, random module, etc. are important modules. Hey, tomorrow we will discuss these 4 modules. Next, I will explain how to create user-defined modules and use. Okay, just time is over. Just I will start one built-in module. Tomorrow we will continue. I will start one built-in module. First, date and time. I think you are familiar with this one. Not familiar. First time I think. Date and time. Python date time. date time module. See, date and time very important concept in computer programming, Savita. Especially for data scientists. Data science, one subject is there now in our IT industry.
That is.
For data science, programming also required. Rajesh, for data scientists,
Yes, sir.
data science programming is required.
Yes, sir.
Say nearly 6 programming languages are used for data science, in which Python is popular. You can use
Yes, sir.
Python or JavaScript or some other language also there, but Python is popular. See, for data scientists, this date and time module is very important. Okay, for software testers, it is not important, but for data scientists, it is important. Uh, Before going to discuss examples, first date. Here, what are the important units in this date? It is general topic, Savita. General topic. Date,
Date, month,
month,
year.
units. Date, months, and day. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
In our date, we have 3 units.
Yes, sir.
First unit, day. Second unit, month. Top unit, year. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, time. 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 What is the top unit? Hour.
Sir.
Hour is top unit. Next,
Minutes,
minutes.
seconds.
Next,
Seconds.
second. These 3. Next, microsecond also there.
Okay.
This is not so. Say, okay. These 3 are very important. Other date 3 units. Day, month, year. Time 3 units. Second, minute, hour. Say, not only in computer programming, we regularly use, in general life also, we regularly use these 6 units now.
Yes, sir.
These 6 unit. Just a minute. I have lengthy example, but I will show 1 or 2 statements and tomorrow continue. First, import date and time. Date and don't call date and time. Date time. Import date time. Import date time. Next, suppose I am creating one variable. Today equals to date time. It is object. Date time dot day dot date open and close para, not open and close, date sub object dot today. Save this one. Suppose print today. Print today. If you have meaningful message, today is comma is concatenation operator. Just a minute. Comma. It will return current system, my system, current system, date and time. Date and time. Save. Run. Current today is only date. Okay. Today. Current system date. Observe year, month, date na.
Yes, sir.
Year, month, date. See, observe. Date 3 units. Year, month, date. Year, month, date. Date 3 units. Year, month, date. Suppose in separate. Suppose print. Just a minute. Last 2 minutes. This year is comma. Now I am using today variable. Today is not variable. That is object now. We are storing object reference.
Yes, sir.
That is not just variable. That is object. Today dot year. Today dot year. Just a minute. This month is today dot month. Meaningful keywords are there. Next, this day.
Today dot day.
This day is today dot day. You can easily remember. Run module. Now observe this year 2021. This month 12. This day 30. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
This day 30. Now observe. After today, open and close parenthesis there now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is method.
Yes,
This is method. This is here is not method. Constant.
Okay, sir.
Observe one small example. Import math. Import math. Suppose print math dot how 10 comma 3. One more parenthesis. Next, math dot 5. Run module. Observe last 2 outputs. Just a minute. Print the last 2 outputs. Rajesh. Run module. Observe Rajesh. This is exponential of 10 comma 3. 10 into 10
Yes,
into 10.
yes, sir.
This is 5 values. 5. 22 by 22 by
Yes, sir.
7 na.
Yes,
That is
sir.
Yes,
mathematical
sir.
formula na. 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
22 by 7 means 3.14
3.14.
Now observe, this math is object. Savita, math is object. This
Yes, sir.
how is method.
Constant.
Method.
Okay.
Method. Observe, open and close parenthesis is there na.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Within that,
Yes, sir.
open and close parenthesis means within that brackets. Within the brackets, arguments are there na.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But what about pi? For pi,
Constant.
no open
Constant.
and close brackets na.
Yes, sir.
No arguments. That is
Okay.
constant value, fixed
Okay,
value
sir.
for entire world. Pi means 3.141 something. That is fixed. No arguments for that one. That's why that is constant. But
Okay, sir.
how is method? Observe here, open and close parenthesis there. But pi, no open and close parenthesis. See here, pi is constant on object. How is method on object? Okay, I'm going to close the today's session. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow we'll continue. I think tomorrow we will discuss built-in modules and user-defined modules. Important concept for writing Python programs. After that, we will discuss Python object-oriented programming. Okay, Rajesh. Today I'm going to close the session. Any queries regarding this today's class?
No, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. What about you, Savita?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, we will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.